welcome back. This is going to be another NADINE West unboxing. This is for the month of April. I just came the other day. It feels heavy. Okay, so we have one bundle. It's a heavy bundle. And we have two bundles. If you are not familiar with NADINE West, it is a monthly clothing subscription service where you fill out a style profile online and a stylist picks out articles of clothing to send to you, and once you get them, you have so many days to try them on and decide what you want. What you want, you keep. What you don't want, you stick this little label on and put it back in your envelope and ship it back off, and then you only pay for what you keep. So this one says, top, top, bottom, bottom dress necklace. All right, we will start with this heavy bundle that I opened first. Okay, dark blue and navy. Okay, I don't know. How do you know which one's which? They're both navy. They're like both denim. I don't know, because one says navy and one says dark blue. They're both the same brand. Okay, I don't know. Navy and then dark blue. We'll say this is the navy one. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the Abby. These are $39.99. I don't know. I could be wrong. But I'm guessing these are the... I don't know. Anyways, here's one pair. They are thick like jeans, but they're like jeggings, jean leggings, whatever you want to call them. They have actual pockets in the back. I love the darker denim. I'm all about the darker denim. So yeah, they have the elastic waist. So it's like having some skinny jeans that are comfy, soft leggings. So there are those. So then I'm gonna guess that these are the Erica in dark blue for $25.99. Like I said, I don't know, because they're both, I don't know, they're both dark blue. But this is cool. Look at the top of these. So they're kind of, it looks like they're kind of high-waisted. Not super high-waisted. Then they have the buttons and they have these little crisscross details on them. These also have actual back pockets. They have front pockets. And there's a tad bit darker than the other ones. And these are super soft. They look like jeans, but they're super soft and cozy leggings. They're not like lined or anything. They're just super soft. Let's see. Next in here we have the Millie in black and white stripe for $25.99. Oh, this is cute. I got a longer black and white striped shirt. It was just plain black and white, but it had like these slits up the side. So this one is like a shorter style. I mean, it's like a regular, it's not cropped, it's just like a regular length. And then the neck has some crisscross detail on it. So that is cute. I like this. I love black and white. So here's this cute t-shirt. I like that. And then this next bundle, I always do the jewelry last. I'll do the necklace last. So in here we have, okay, it says this is a top. Oh, this is cute. So this is the Door, D-O-R-E, Dory, Door in black. It is $26.99. This is really cute because it has like the, look at the sleeves. It's not even actually a sleeve. It's just like it has a little ruffle on each sleeve. It's almost like a sleeveless. Oh my gosh, if I can get a hold of it. It just has like a little ruffle sleeve and it has the little V-neck. And then it's just this flowy, almost like blouse material. I like this. This is really cute. I like that. Plain and simple. It has like the pleat down the front. So it kind of has like the, see how it does that in the front? I like that. I like it, I like it. And then the last article of clothing in here is a dress, and this is the Lindy in Blue Flower for $35.99. It's like that really soft t-shirt material. Cute, it has the sleeves like that black shirt. Just like, it's not really a sleeve, it's just like a ruffled, sleeveless. It has like the little ruffle detail. It's this pretty blue with flowers. It's super soft, like a t-shirt dress. And it looks like it would go down to pretty much down to my knees. It's a really good length. Yeah, so there's that dress. It's super stretchy, super soft. They always are. They're always the softest material. And then the last thing in here is this necklace. This is called Round We Go in silver, and it's $30.99. Round and round, round we go. Tupac. Round and round, round we go. Oh my gosh, it is all tangled. Why? Why do they always have to get so tangled up on me? Okay, maybe it's not as bad as I think it is. This looks like it's super cute because it looks like the different, oh, it is. Come on Heather. Unwrap yourself. Unwrap yourself. Unwrap yourself. Did I just break a piece off? I don't think so. Alright, I'm gonna have to crop this part out because I'm gonna be here for a while trying to get this in then. There we go. This is so cool. Okay, so it's this necklace, and if all the circles are lined up inside of each other, you see how it's like that? Or if they untwist, you can have them like opened up inside of each other. You see what I'm saying? So they can all open up. Round and round, round we go. Super cute. I like that. That's different. That's really cool. Oh, with that black shirt, that would be really cute. So yeah, there we have it. That is everything in this month's April's whatever, Nadine West. And now I need to try everything on and see how it all fits and what I like. Oh, it's still in a little tangle up here, but that's okay. We were able to see it. Oh, I think the hook's just like hooked into two different spots. So yeah, now next up is just to see how everything looks. So I will be back in just a minute. Okay, so here is the striped t-shirt. It has like the collar and then the little crisscrosses on the chest. This t-shirt's super comfy. It's like the super soft and stretchy, and it's flowy. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's just like a t-shirt, but it's flowy. It's super soft, super comfy. I love stripes. So there's that. These pants are super cute, super comfy. There's like fuzzies all over the floor. I need to vacuum. These are super cute. These have the, let's see, let me turn you down. Yeah, look at all these clothes to go through. These have the, with the little crisscrosses right here. And then these have the actual front pockets and actual back pockets. And these look more like jeans than any of the leggings I've gotten, because it looks like, oh, there's a thread. Because it looks like, if I can get a hold of it, it has like lines in the denim. See, you can see kind of, I don't know if you can see or not. I'll knock my whole tripod over. It has like lines, so it looks like jean, like actual jeans. So anyway, these are super, super cute. They go all the way to the ankle. They're stretchy, they're comfy, like they're super stretchy. These are probably my favorite of the leggings. I did get ones that have like were distressed. I like those too, but I love these. These are so comfy. So yeah, this outfit is super cute, super comfy. I'm definitely keeping both of these. I just did my roots last night. My hair They were so bad, so now it looks so weird because my hair is so light on top. I'm just trying to keep my bangs out of my face, so I don't mind my hair. Whoa, I've got you up too high. I'm getting ready to do a facial. So I just want to do this real quick. So yeah, love this one for sure. This outfit's so cute. Okay, here's this shirt. This one is different. I have boxy shoulders, so it's like this isn't the most comfortable thing. It's not like the softest shirt. It just kind of fits kind of boxy because it's more like stiff, but it's super cute. So it has like the ruffled sleeves. Like I would wear it like if I needed to dress up for something or be like a little bit not super casual. I just feel like it fits strange, like right here, like it bubbles out. See how it looks like I mean, I'm not the smallest, but it looks like it bubbles out. That's not my skin though, that's just how it bubbles out. So anyway, it has like the little v-neck with the little gathering. It has the little ruffled collars. It's flowy. The back's super long, so it covers the booty. It's actually pretty cute on, isn't it? Now that I look at it, if I had some makeup on, had some curls in my hair, the shirt would be actually really cute. Because I have boxy, like broad shoulders, like a linebacker. These leggings look like jeans also. These also have actual pockets in the front. These are more stiff. These have actual pockets in the back too. These are more stiff than the last ones. The last ones were super soft, the ones I just took off. These, I still like these. They look like jeans, but these just aren't as soft. And they're like, I have them pulled up super high and they keep getting like a fold. See that? They keep getting this fold like right here. And I have them all the way down to my ankles. Like I can't pull them up any higher or down any lower. I don't know. Like they won't go up any higher. But these are definitely more stiff, like actual jeans. So less comfortable than the others, but still super cute. And they're still comfortable. I don't know, is this cute? You guys are like, yes, you're out of pajamas. Yes, it's cute. You're not in loungewear. Sorry, like if you're at home all day, like you haven't had it right. You just live in pajamas. I mean, as far as the living in pajamas part. Yeah, live in pajamas. Be comfy. If you don't have to go anywhere, why get all dressed up? With all dressed up and nowhere to go. Just be comfy and cozy. Yeah, I like these. This is cute. If I had a necklace on, I think this would be cute together. What do you think? Is it cute? My mirror's right here, so that's why I'm kind of looking off to the side. Yeah, I like it. I like it. 2 thumbs up. Okay guys, here is the dress. So it's this blue color with flowers. Has like the ruffly sleeves. I think I just need to take dresses off of my profile. Like I always think, oh my gosh, I would totally wear like cute summer dresses with flip-flops. I don't know if I will. Like this is so cute, and on somebody that would actually wear it, it'd be so cute. It has pockets. I don't know, like I'm always chasing around kids, and I'll be chasing around kids, wearing them at the wind, blowing my dress up. So I don't know if I don't know. And I've gotten some really cute dresses, but it's like, am I ever gonna actually wear them? I don't know. So this one's like loose and flowy too. It's not like form-fitting, you know what I mean? So it's loose, it's flowy, it has pockets. It's super cute, it really is. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to take dresses off of my style profile. That's the good thing about Nadine West. If it's like, okay, after so many months of getting dresses, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna wear them, so I can go and take dresses off, and then they'll maybe send me another shirt, like a third shirt instead of a dress. Or I could take dresses off and put skirts on. Maybe I'd be better for like skirt, but I don't see myself really wearing skirts. I wish there was time for like cute jean skirts and like tank tops with flip-flops, but that's, I don't know guys, it's not me. It's not mom style, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but this is super cute. Ugh. Do I take the dresses off of my profile or leave them on there and maybe start wearing dresses? It's not even warm enough for dresses right now, but I don't know. This is cute though, especially with like the, like I said, the ruffled sleeves. If I had somewhere to go where I had to wear a dress, this would be cute. This would be really cute on someone that was pregnant, like to show their belly. I don't know, I think pregnant people look so cute in little dresses. What what do I do? But anyways, here's this dress. I don't know about this one. I don't know, guys. I don't know. And it's a good length. It's like above the knee, right above the knee. Even in the back, it's, oh my gosh, don't look at my leg. I'm seriously hoping to get my leg fixed. But I guess I have to make an appointment first. I'm freaked out, like the whole procedure of having your vein like lasered out or removed or whatever they do, just ugh. So I keep up, but I need to get it done because it gets so painful. My leg hurts all the time. And then a lot of times it just burns. It burns right in this area. Like I said, it's just working its way up. I've had multiple incidences where it gets bumped and like the whole vein blows or strips, and doctors have said, no, you have every reasoning, because typically insurance doesn't cover the procedure unless, like, it doesn't cover it for like cosmetic purposes, but mine's not. Mine hurts, and I've had many ER trips because of issues. I don't know, that's not even part of this video, but anyways, I need to get my vein fixed. Then maybe I wear dresses. I don't know. But I don't know. That's all. So yeah, that's the end of March's. Is it March's? I don't know. I thought this was April's, but I got an email from NADINE saying I was having another shipment coming anytime now. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. My phone's ringing, so I gotta go, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.